So we're going to check the work of Zuckerberg section is the research of Strada, Gainor, Polistico, Team. We have 100 pages. So first off, the header is correct, but the title should be inverted pyramid like this one. Inverted. Okay, so Rappler research in ABM, Strada, ano na yung year nila. October, so ano na ngayon? November na. So November 2025. Okay, let's go to the pages. Chapter 1. Chapter 1, the problem and its background, introduction. Check natin, they have citation, background study. So itong background study, baba nila to. Okay. Citations. TS Stallions 2023 theoretical framework, optional connection, conceptual, so chapter 1, mga minimal errors lang, I guess, no? Okay, this one, cuts phrases. Dapat na kayo wala yan. Let's go. Scope limitation. So, ano lang, hindi naka-aligned yung inyong mga definition of terminology. Sample to, ipapantay nyo lang to. Sample na ito, hindi sila pantay. I-align. So lahat ng wordings should be aligned. This one is dapat ganun yan. Okay, so pa-align yung mga wordings. Ipantay. Let's go to chapter 2. Review. Pag may mga kulay blue, i-edit na. Sample this one. Furthermore, dapat may comma dyan. Stop ready.
Everything feels right in this paradise night. Vacation time, I'm feeling so fine. Living in the moment, sipping on sunshine.
Sa mga heading, if you have before writing a heading like this one, you leave enough space. Masyadong indicate, we can distinguish kung yan ay karugtong ng paragraph or not. So you should leave an ample space before starting subheading. So nagkukulay red daw. Yung nagkulay red, be wary of the red fonts. Yan, ano yan? Skill development. Karugtong ba yan? Engagement, example na ito. Error yan kasi there should be more space. Ano ba yun? Pag ito yung second page na yan. Okay. Pag nagkakulay blue, diba, pag nagkulay blue, hindi masyadong gray yung arrow but still to be corrected. Like you should have a comma here.
Soaking up the flare. Midnight bonfire light. Stars are shining bright. Everything feels right in this paradise night. Vacation time.
Similarly,
I'm feeling so fine. Living in the moment. Sipping on sunshine.
may reference dito. All references, itong reference to ilagay ito sa pinakadulo. So walang references sa body. Lahat ng references should be written after your chapter 5. Pag samasamahin, ano? And mali ang inyong references. Kasi yung references, all references should be double space. Double space lahat yung references. So, tanggalin to dito. Ilagay ko sa likod. Double space lahat yan. Okay, and ang references should be written hanging indentation. Pag sabing hanging indentation, yung second line should be indented ng 7 spaces. 1, 2. Should be indented 7 spaces. So, lahat ng reference, yung second line, and then ang second line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ganun. Para may sample. Oh. Dapat yun. Pag second line should be indented. Ganito. Ganito rin to. The second line should be indented. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The second line and this all succeeding line should be indented. Yung first line lang hindi naka-indent. Pag references ang pinag-usapan natin. Para may sample. So lahat yan ihanging indentation. Lahat yan. Lahat ng references. So let's go to chapter 3. Okay, chapter 3, research methodology. So ito error. There should be comma here. Methods. Description. Dito.
Sun is shining all day, sand between my toes, waves crashing on the bay, feel that warm
Okay,
breeze
the chapter 4.
no worries on my mind, just leave
Sa database of data.
palm trees in the line, find that peace I find.
The tables, the title of the table should be written
Sipping on sunshine.
the left. Title niyan. This is not e-title. Dito si question. Ang title niyan, ganyan lang. Most popular fast food mascots.
Without a care, soaking up the flare. Midnight bonfire
Okay, mga table title, ilalagay sa gilid.
feels right in this paradise night. Vacation time, I'm feeling so fine. Living in the moment,
Ganito,
sipping on sunshine.
pag space. Ganun. Lahat ng table, ganun ha. Lahat ng table.
Music in the
Ba't nandito yung table 6?
everywhere, dancing without a care, soaking up
Di ba
the
dapat nanda dyan yan?
midnight bonfire light, stars are shining bright, everything feels right in this
Yan.
paradise
Table
night.
6.
Vacation time, I'm feeling so fine, living in the
Table.
moment,
Ganun.
sipping on sunshine.
Okay. So, space. References. Lahat ng references, pagkakasama.
Sun is shining all day,
Ilagay nyo yung mga references na laging sa gitna, dito nyo ilagay.
on the bed,
Ang references, hindi siya naka-alt-alt.
no worries on my mind, just leave stress behind.
Yung tinuro ko kanina, di ba? Yung second line should be,
Find that peace I
lahat ng references, double space din.
I'm feeling so fine.
Double space.
Moment,
Okay? Tapos, indented yung second line. Indented ang second line. Ang ginawa ko kanina,
laughter everywhere,
lahat yan ay double space.
soaking
Then,
up the flare. Midnight
ito sa inyo mga
light, stars are shining bright. Everything feels right in this paradise
So,
night. Vacation time,
ano to?
feeling so fine. Living in the
You
moment.
check. The certification of originality ay hindi sa reference nakalagay. You check my sample. Ito ay nakalagay sa preliminary, sa unahan. Ang you check my sample. Acknowledgement, hindi siya nakalagay dapat sa reference sa manis sa appendices. This one should be written sa preliminary. Doon sa unahan. Abstract, ganun din. Ba't nasa likod? Wala. Table of contents, very obvious. Table of contents should be written sa unahan, sa preliminary. Hindi sa appendices. Kasing sample ko kasi, the title by sample is preliminary references and appendices. Pero yung preliminary, sa unahan nyo ilalagay. Unahan ng inyong research. Check. Kaya nga preliminary, di ba? Nandun siya sa unahan.
Sun is shining all day, sand between my toes, waves crashing on the bay, feel that warm breeze blow, no worries on my mind, just leave stress behind, palm trees in the line, find that peace I find, vacation time, I'm feeling so fine, living in the moment, sipping on sunshine.
So, yung certificate of originality, the abstract, acknowledgement, the table of contents, dito siya nakalagay sa preliminary. You check. Chapter 5, references, tapos appendices. Pero yung mga certificate of originality, yung abstract, the acknowledgement, the table of contents should be written sa preliminary section.
Music in the air, laughter everywhere, dancing without a care, soaking up the flare. Midnight bonfire light, stars are shining bright, everything feels right in this paradise night. Vacation time. Sun is shining all day, sand between my toes, waves crashing on the